Welcome back, crypto adventurers, to the Crypto Goblin series, where we unearth the sneakiest crypto trends with a smirk and some serious charts. I'm your host, the Crypto Goblin, and today we're diving into a hot new topic: tokenized real-world assets. Meet Pencil Finance, a project turning student loans into crypto investments on EDU Chain. Is this the future of finance or a goblin-sized gamble? Let's dig into the chaos of May 2025. The crypto market's buzzing at $2.66 trillion in May 2025. But there's a new trend stealing the show: tokenized real-world assets, or RWAs. From real estate to art, RWAs are bringing real stuff onto the blockchain. And one project's caught our goblin eye: Pencil Finance. They're tokenizing student loans on EDU Chain backed by Animoca, HackQuest, and Open Campus, with $10 million already committed. Funding students while earning yield? That's a plot twist even a goblin didn't see coming. Let's check the market mood. Time to gauge the market mood with our trusty tools. LunarCrush says the crypto market's neutral bullish, with an RSI of 52, and RWA projects are up 15% in social mentions. On X, at PFIN Chain says Pencil Finance has $10 million committed with 60 views, while at Dual Mint RWA loves the real yield with 50 views, but at 0xandalite with 40 views, warns about repayment delays. Reddit's R cryptocurrency is hyped. RWAs could solve real problems like student debt. But some worry about defaults. I ran a quick goblin poll on my Discord. 60% are bullish, 30% bearish, and 10% just shrugged. The vibe? Optimistic, but with a goblin-sized pinch of caution. Let's get nerdy with Pencil Finance's token. Let's call it PFIN. It's trading at 50 cents, with a market cap of $25 million, based on a 100 million token supply. Investors get two tranches: 80% fixed yield for the cautious, and 20% high yield for the brave. The RSI is at 62, bullish momentum. And it's above its 50-day SMA at 45 cents, another green flag. If adoption grows, PFIN could hit $2, a 4x gain. That's a market cap of $100 million, totally possible with Animoca's backing. But let's see what's driving this. Why could Pencil Finance soar? First, it's built on EDU Chain, a blockchain focused on education, backed by Open Campus. Second, it's got heavyweights like Animoca and HackQuest in its corner, serious credibility. Third, it's solving a real problem: student debt, with $10 million already funding real students, all transparent on the blockchain. Investors earn yield while helping kids learn. Talk about a win-win. But before you enroll, let's talk risks. This isn't all straight A's. Let's get serious. Pencil Finance isn't a perfect report card. Student loans have a 10 to 15% default rate, and repayments can take 3 to 5 years. Investors might be waiting longer than a goblin at a buffet. Economic uncertainty is a concern too, with X users like at 0xandalite, with 40 views, noting the risk. If you're investing, risk only 1% of your portfolio per trade, and don't let the hype flunk your strategy. This is a high-risk, high-reward play. Do your own research. Let's zoom out. Pencil Finance isn't alone in the RWA game. The RWA market's already tokenized $50 billion in assets, and it's growing fast. Compare it to realty, tokenizing real estate with a $1 billion market cap, or Artify, tokenizing art at $500 million. Pencil Finance's $25 million market cap is small, but its focus on student loans taps into a massive $1.7 trillion market. Hello, growth potential. Unlike art or real estate, education funding hits a social nerve, which could give PFIN an edge. But will it outshine the competition? Let's wrap this up. So, what's the goblin's verdict? Pencil Finance is leading the RWA revolution, tokenizing student loans with $10 million already committed. At 50 cents now, $2 is a 4 times dream, thanks to EDU Chain, Animoca backing, and real utility. But default risks and economic uncertainty are real. Keep tabs on X and Reddit for updates, and don't risk more than you can lose. Here's a Crypto Goblin challenge. Find the next RWA gem. Check out projects like Realty or Artify and share your picks in the comments. If you loved this adventure, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Crypto Goblin episodes. Will PFIN ace the RWA race? Let me know below. Until next time, stay sharp, stay safe, and may your portfolios moon.